Hey guys, welcome back to Enjay's PlaySpace. Today, I'm actually going to see how much bacteria grows on objects around the house. So here are these things. So we're going to, use little cotton swabs and put it on kinds of objects. So then we can see how much germs grows here in 7 days.
Yes, here are the plates. So we have here, this is what we're going to be doing. The first one here, I'm going to turn off the light. It's a little dark, but there we go. So we're going to be doing an experiment. We're going to be swabbing Enjay's hands when they're dirty, when they have sanitizer versus when they're washed. Daddy's steering wheel versus mommy's steering wheel.
We have a lot.
Enjay's armpit versus mommy's armpit. Remote control downstairs versus the remote control upstairs. Enjay's teeth before brushing and after brushing. Down here, OB stands for his orange ball that he likes to play with and his Nintendo Switch. The doorknob versus the light switches. The iPhone versus the fridge handle. And Enjay's water bottle versus mommy's water bottle. And last but not least, the bottom of Enjay's bare feet versus the bottom of his feet in shoes. So here they are.
So my mom just swiped her armpit. I don't know what in the entire world is gonna be on here. We gotta open it carefully. Here it is. Let me see. And I found a side. Here's my armpit now, guys. Let me see if I can. Let me find it. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got it. So here are my feet right here. I'm gonna swipe it a little bit. Alright, bare feet. So I just brushed my teeth. There's my teeth. And now, again, which is disgusting, I'm gonna swipe it again. Alright, let's open that lid. After brush. So after I swiped my teeth, I swiped a bunch of other things around the house. And I waited 24 hours, which is a whole day, to see what they looked like then. So guys, it is the next day. And look, so it was really cold, so we had to turn on this light. Let's see, you ready? Wow, let's check them out. Let's see this one. Oh, opened it accidentally. There we go. So, looks like these have a couple germs on them. And here's some. Let's see the orange ball one. I'm interested. Okay, this one I made a mistake. You can see a couple germs on there, and you can see more. It's only been a day, so. Alright guys, look at our water bottles. Look at all those germs. Looks like mommy's has the most. Looks like she really needs to clean her water bottle. She wants to get that off. Oh, this looks ridiculous. So then I looked at all the things in that box, then closed it up, and then it's gonna wait another 24 hours to see what germs are gonna be on there then. Oh, hey guys, it's been 48 hours. Let's see if any germs have grown. You seen, I wrote yesterday, please do not open this box or else something will happen to you. Enjay, P.S. And something will happen to your friends too. Let's open this up. What in the world? What is going on? Oh my goodness, look at our water bottles. Look at these germs. Ugh. Please clean your devices every day if you don't want this to happen on your experiments. Okay. Oh my goodness, the orange ball has a lot of germs and the Nintendo Switch has nothing. I play with the Nintendo Switch almost every day. Wow, Daddy's steering wheel versus Mommy's steering wheel. I think Mommy has more. That is not good. All right, here it is. This is the one I've been waiting for. Hand sanitizer and hands wash have some dirtiness, but hands dirty barely has anything. of them, and surprisingly, some didn't have as much germs as the orange ball and the water bottle. So I put them back, and yes, I waited another 24 hours to see what things were gonna look like then, and trust me, things got crazy. So it's been another 24 hours, so we are on the third day, so it's been 72 hours. So let's see what it is. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! What in the world do we have here? Oh my God! What in the world is going on? Oh no! Let's
Ew! Wait, show us what it is. I see hand sanitizer. So wait, which one has the more germs out of all three?
Dirty.
The dirty hands?
Yeah.
It actually grew. Ugh. That looks nasty.
That looks disgusting.
All right, let's see what's next. Ugh.
Next one. Oh, after brush? It must be from the toothbrush, probably.
Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, so not too bad, but it looks like the one with the brushing the teeth after you brush your teeth had more germs than others. Maybe they're good germs.
What is this one? Remote up has more than remote down? This looks disgusting. Look at this.
Yeah, I see it right there. So the upstairs remote needs to be sanitized.
Yeah, looks like you need to clean your stuff every day. What do we have here? Oh! My armpit is worse than your armpit. What is this one? Light switch and doorknob.
So which one has
The doorknob.
Oh, yuck.
Yucky.
Oh.
You have to clean those on a weekly basis.
I
Yes.
thought the light switch was gonna have more. All right.
What in the world? Bottom of bare feet. That was my feet. Look at this. Bottom of shoes.
Versus your bottom of your shoes. So your bare feet actually have more germs
Yeah.
than the bottom of your shoes.
On the first video, I thought the shoe was gonna have the most.
I thought so too.
Okay. What in the world? iPhone fridge handle.
So which one has more?
Fridge handle.
Oh,
Eee.
wow. The iPhone had some too, but not as much as the handle to the
We got a
refrigerator.
couple left.
So while we're getting our food, we have dirty hands, huh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, mommy's steering wheel versus daddy's steering wheel.
Daddy?
Look at the speck on it. Look at that speck.
Oh, wait, let me see. I gotta zoom in all the way to the top there. Right by his finger.
Look
right
at this.
there.
That could be a problem.
Daddy, not looking
Next
good.
one. What?
What is this? Tell
Let
us
me
what
turn
it
it
is.
around. The orange ball has so many specks.
The orange ball is the nastiest one in there.
And the
Nintendo
Nintendo
Switch doesn't
nothing.
even have anything as much as you play
That is a lot.
That's
Sure.
disgusting. Outside. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Next one.
Mhm.
Oh boy. Oh, this is a water bottle.
Word.
Oh my goodness.
So your water bottle and my water bottle are full of germs right at the spout where we are drinking.
So which one is the dirtiest
I
one?
don't know, they look neck and neck there to me. I can't tell. All right, what else do you got? Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Ugh. So what did we learn about
Look at this.
germs?
So we learned that we should clean our stuff every day,
Yeah.
or else it's gonna happen to this when you do this experiment.
Mommy's water bottle versus Enjay.
Right at the spout where we drink the water.
Oh no!
That is making me feel really icky inside.
Oh, so make sure you clean your stuff every day if you want to try this experiment and you don't want it to end up like these things. Time to put them back in the box and we'll check on it in a little 24 hours. I was so shocked when all things, I almost barked. Basically, Enjay crew, here is the fridge handle and my iPhone.
Oh my
Goodness,
goodness.
what is going on?
It really changed. It wasn't like that before. Let me see the iPhone. It's kind of blurry. It came out of
Look
focus.
at the iPhone.
Ugh, but the fridge handle. Oh my goodness. So before we get our food, we're gonna have to wash our hands.
I just touched the fridge handle today. We got remote upstairs and remote downstairs, which I'm
Let me
using.
see. Wait, move it back a little bit. Oh!
I'm using downstairs remote right now.
But upstairs remote, ooh, it turned brown.
It must be Daddy because he watches TV late at night. Oh no, Daddy, you need to stop.
Or I need to clean it at least, or wipe it down maybe.
Couple more left.
Couple more. Let's see what we got.
Doorknob.
Ooh.
Light switch.
So light switch didn't really have that much. I thought light switch was gonna have as much as doorknob.
If you want to do this experiment, make sure every day you clean your stuff. If you don't want this to happen. Oh no. Okay. What?
Turn it the right side.
Orange ball.
Oh my goodness, it doesn't open. Oh
What
my
is
goodness.
going on?
Look at that side. Look at that camera. The Nintendo Switch side is almost perfect, and the other side is a completely different color. That's from your orange ball that is over there.
Complete mess. Look at that. It looks pretty harmless, but what is going on here?
That was bad. That looks like the worst one of them all.
Yeah, it is. Look at those black spots. And that ball looks innocent.
Yeah.
Little did we know. It's brutal. Whoa.
What you got here?
Hands dirty, hands washed, and hand sanitizer.
Oh wow. Can you put it on the floor? We might be able to see it better.
Look at this. Eee.
Oh my goodness. So hands dirty had it, hands washed, and hand sanitizer. We can't get away from the germs.
What's going on? Hands washed is usually clean.
Wow. Okay.
Oh
What
my
else you
goodness, I
got?
saved the best for last. Oh no, these are our water bottles.
Here, put it on the floor so we can get a better
Enjay
contrast.
crew, look at our water bottles. What is going on?
Actually, the water bottles aren't the worst ones. It looks like the orange ball is just bad in the fridge. Ugh.
Enjay crew, which one's the worst? That one! Guys, this experiment was ridiculous for the last 5 days. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe because if you want to see more, I'll do more. And also check out my other videos. Bye!